Hello everybody, my name is Martin Schuyler. I appreciate you checking out this video today. Today I want to talk to you about Power Lead System. Power Lead System is a way how you can generate leads for your businesses or your business. And what it does is pretty much I can show you exactly how this works. Okay, so what we have here is you have a funnel system. Now a funnel system is like a lead capture page that pretty much like a billboard design to grab your attention. So I can show you exactly what I mean by it. Look at that. So these are the funnels, the lead capture pages you would get. It's called, we have a Cash Now funnel, which is used by a share code. And it was designed by a friend and mentor of mine, Frank Calabro Jr. He designed this system. And that's just one of the funnels that he designed. And we also have a live call and invite, lead page that you can use too on top of that, which is made by Frank Calabro Jr. We also have a Fire Your Boss lead capture page, Home Business Pro lead capture page, and basically that's what these are for each day for a Power Lead System. And basically what this does is, so certain lead capture pages you can, if you have an earned business, you can promote this on the back end of that to, so you can get leads for both things. And you also can follow up, but it goes on certain days where it follows up with you when you grab the person's, name and email. Some of them are only email only, and some have name and email phone that, grabs that information. So the other thing what this Power Lead System has is an autoresponder that follows up with your leads. So it's already branded to you, it's coded to you and stuff like that. And also what you can sell to besides Power Lead System is also another thing called Lead Lightning. And you only get two funnels with that. You get the free lead system, and then you would get the Lead Lightning, which is only like a one-time $7. But you do not get an autoresponder that follows up with everything else. You still get training though, but what I suggest with people is to get the Power Lead System, which is under $60 a month. And so you can make, $20 commissions for anybody who you refer to that buys it from you. It becomes a subscriber. And, I'll break down all the comp plan and all that stuff too. And just to let you know about all that. So that's what Power Lead System, one part of the Power Lead System is that you get these sales pages, lead capture pages, stuff like that. So when you become a member of the Power Lead System, we have a Facebook group too. Just thought I'll throw that out there too. And also what you get is free, you get, I'll have to show you. Other features you would get would be, if you go in here, endless free leads, you get those and stuff like that. And you get Roadmap to Riches. Sorry, I had a brain for it there. But then you get to training and stuff like that. We have training Monday through Thursday. Monday being the Fast Start training is for at noon on Monday, and on Thursday nights at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have a Power Lead System Fast Start training too. And then plus you get calls with the CEO, Neil Guest. He will answer your questions that you may have. It's really interesting to learn about Power Lead System and how you can make money with the system. And so anyway, so I will go over the comp plan with you, how that works. So as I was saying earlier, if you refer 3 people, your gold membership is free. So let's say like if you refer Mark, Mary, and Sue, then you would get $20 commission for each one. Then your power lease system is paid for. Now they would have to become a PLS customer and affiliate too, for $53.97 a month. So like I said, it's under $60. And that's one way how to do it. So you can make $20 commissions on each person that becomes a PLS customer and affiliate. So I'll let you know that. $20 each one. And you get 50% matching bonus for each person they refer on top of that. So just let you know, and that's how it breaks it down. So another part of this is we have a thing called perpetual leverage. So what this does is it breaks down for you exactly each course that you buy. So if you buy free ad secrets, which is $147 one time, and you own that, and somebody who you refer to decides, hey, I want to buy the free ad secret, so you earn $50 commission on that. And then also, I think you, if I remember correctly, you earn the 50% matching bonus on top of all that too. And it's every leg, every level through unlimited depth. So that's how it works. And then you have Lead Generation Academy, which is $105 per month. So this is $45 residual commissions on each person who subscribes to that course too. As long as you subscribe to it. And somebody referred to gets on this too. It's another course. It's interesting on how do you generate some more leads in a different way, how to do stuff, and so forth. Another thing is Home Business Pro, which is the $497 at one time. And as long as you own that course, and somebody who you refer that decides to buy that course, you earn a $200 commission for each person that you refer buys that course. So that's pretty cool. And plus, you also get like the 50% matching bonus too, on top of that. So we have Master Traffic Institute, and what this is a $1,000 support, $97 one time. You earn $500 commission on each person that buys that course, as long as you own it. Okay, so that's how that works. So, what I do have for people who just want to try it out for 14 days for $1, you can get this system like this, and I will give you the web address right away, and you will go to http /cashwithmark.org, or just go www.cashwithmark.org to get started. You just put in your email, and then it walks you through how to get everything started. So I just thought I'll let you know, for $1 for a 14-day trial. If you decide it's not for you, then you just turn off your revenue generation machine. And I appreciate you guys checking out this video for me. Thank you very much.